Hello friends, welcome to GMG accountancy classes. In the previous video, we studied about accounting equation. Today we are going to discuss about how to prepare journal entry. So before we are going to start the journal entry, you must know what is personal account, real account and nominal account. So in this video we are going to discuss personal account, real account, nominal account, golden rules of accounting as well as some illustration sums of journal entries. Now see the personal account. What do you mean by personal account? Personal account relating to person is called personal account. The personal account may be natural, artificial or representative personal account. So personal account is divided into three: natural, artificial and representative. What do you mean by natural persons account? Natural persons means human beings. Any name of a person, either boy or girl, men or women, like Vinod, Malini, etc. Artificial persons account. Artificial person refers to persons other than human beings recognized by law as persons. They include business concerns like companies, charitable institution, etc. Example: BHEL account. BHEL means Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. Bank account, etc. So this will come under persons artificial persons account. Then representative personal account. They are the accounts which represent persons, natural or artificial or group of persons. Example: outstanding salary account. Still you have been not paid the salary for group of persons. Prepaid rent account. When expenses are outstanding, it is payable to a person, hence it represents a person. So always remember, representative personal account means these two items you must remember: outstanding and prepaid. So prepaid and outstanding you have to remember. Wherever it comes outstanding and prepaid means artificial, means representative personal account. Now impersonal accounts are divided into two: real and nominal. Now what do you mean by real account? All accounts relating to tangible and intangible properties and possession are called real account. Now tangible real account. This includes account of properties and possession which can be seen and touched. So anything which can be touched and seen. Properties. These have physical existence. Example: plant and machinery, building, furniture, stock, etc. So these are the properties which can be touched and seen. Intangible real accounts. Intangible real accounts are those account which includes a property which cannot be seen and touched. Example: goodwill, patents, copyright, etc. Now what do you mean by nominal account? Other than personal and real account, the balance is nominal account. For example, though if name is not came or it is not related to property or name of persons or company, then it will come under nominal account. Nominal account means all losses and all income will come under nominal account. The account relating to expenses, losses, revenue and gains are called nominal account. Example: salary, wages, rent, income, interest, income, etc. These are temporary accounts and are transferred to the trading and profit loss account depending on whether these are direct or indirect respectively. Now types of account. The types of accounts are personal, natural, artificial, representative. Impersonal, real, in real account. So nominal account, tangible and intangible account. Now what is the accounting rule, which is very important This will this will ask so many times in most of the quarterly, half-yearly, and board examination. In all the examination, they will ask, what do you mean by golden rules? So golden rules: personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. These rules you must remember, because without these rules you can't able to do easily journal entries. So golden rules are very important for doing any sum or any chapter. So personal account means debit the receiver, credit the giver. Real account: debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Nominal account: debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gains. Now see here, classify the following into personal, real and nominal. These items are personal, real or nominal account, you have to say. So first one, capital. Capital is what? This is your company, for example, then you are investing money into the business, so capital is your personal account. Next one, building. Building is what? Is your property, asset. So property relate to real account. Next one, carriage inward. Carriage inward is what? Expenses. So expenses is not a name, or expenses is not a property, so it will come under nominal account. Cash. Cash is your what? Real account, because it is your property. Commission received is an income, so it is a nominal account. Then bank is your personal account. Purchases. So next one, purchases, nominal account. Chandru, name came, so name will come under personal account. Outstanding wages, you can write representative personal account, or straight away you can write personal account also. Now see the answer. You can write the serial number ABCD, you can write the name of the items and classify into personal, real or nominal, which account it will come. So straight away you can write opposite of capital, personal account, building opposite, real account. Likewise you can write. Now we'll move on to illustration of journal entries. This is the format of journal entry. You have to write the heading date, in the single page date, particulars, LF, debit, below that you have to write rupees, credit, below that you have to write rupees. Now see here, transaction 1. Example 1, transaction. Somu commence business. Somu commence printing business with cash. So what comes into the business? Cash. So cash account data to Somu capital account. Or as per your golden rules, there are two accounts are there, cash and capital. So cash account is which account? It is a real account. What is the rule of real account? Debit what comes in. So it comes in, so it is debited. Somu capital. Capital is what? Personal account. So what is the rule of personal account? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. So Somu is the giver, that's why it is credited. So cash account data to Somu capital account. Or simple way to remember, whatever comes in debited, whatever goes out credited. So cash comes into the business, so cash account data to Somu capital account, 50,000, 50,000. Next one, bought goods for cash. When we bought means purchase. So what are the two items here? Purchase and cash. Purchase, that is not mentioned that what we are going to purchase. So if furniture mentioned, then we can write furniture, but here only bought mentioned, nothing has been mentioned that what we purchase. So bought means purchase. So there are two items are there, or we have to open a two account. One is purchase, one is cash. So what is purchase? Purchase is the nominal account. What's the rule of nominal? Debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gains. So when it is a nominal account, so as per the rule, when we purchase, it is an expense for us. So it is expenses, so it is debited. Then cash is the real account. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Now cash goes out, so it is credited. Or in a simple way, bought goods for cash. It means when we purchase the goods, cash goes out. So cash is credited, so automatically purchase is debited. Now see here in the answer, purchase account data to cash account 4,000. Next one, example 3. Purchase goods from Rahul. When you purchase goods from Rahul, so purchase account data to Rahul account, because here there is no cash transaction, this is the credit transaction. So purchase is the nominal account, purchase is an expense, so it is debited as per the rule. And Rahul is the personal. What is the rule of personal account? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. So is Rahul, here Rahul is the giver, so it is credited. So or else you can simply remember in a shortcut method also one more thing, whenever the name is come, it means credit purchase. So whenever credit purchase means name will be credited. So see here, purchase account data to Rahul account 10,000. Next one, illustration 4. Cash paid to Rahul. When you pay to the Rahul, so there are two items are there, Rahul and cash. Two accounts you have to open. So money comes in or goes out when we are paying to someone? Cash goes out. So whatever goes out is credited. So to cash account, and Rahul is the personal account, debit the receiver, so we debited. So Rahul account data to cash account. Next, example 5. Withdraw cash for personal use. Whenever it is mentioned personal use or domestic purpose or own purpose, then it will come drawings account data. So drawings is personal because the proprietor is the receiver. So drawings account data to cash account. You withdraw the money for your own purpose, personal use. Next one, illustration 6. Cash deposit into bank. Now whenever you are doing something, this is your own company, you are preparing your own account. When you deposit the amount into the bank, then what happened? Cash goes out. So cash is credited and bank is debited because bank is the receiver, and cash goes out. So bank account data to cash account. So whatever goes out will be credited. Next, example 7. Paid salary by check. How you make the payment? Through check. So from where the money goes out? From the bank. So bank is credited, so automatically salary is the debited. Or as per the golden rules, there are two accounts, salary and bank. Salary and bank. Salary is what? Nominal account. What is the rule for nominal account? Debit all expenses and losses. So when we are paying salary, it is the expense for the company, so it is debited. Bank, through bank we make the payment. Bank is the personal account, so debit the receiver, credit the giver. Through bank we are giving the amount, so it is the giver, so credited. Or else simply we paid the salary by check, so from the bank money goes out, so bank is credited and salary will be debited. So salary account data to bank account. Understand? Next one, sold goods to Mahesh on credit. So this is credit sale. Sold means credit sales. So Mahesh account data to sales account is the entry. How this entry came? Mahesh is the name. Name is the personal account. So who is Mahesh? Mahesh is the receiver. So receiver means what? Debit the receiver. This is the rule. So it is debited. Sales is what? Nominal account. So when we nominal account, what is the rule? Debit the receiver, credit the. What is the rules of nominal account? Debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gains. So when we are selling something, we will get an income. So here we are earning the money, that is revenue earned. So it is credited. Or simply you can remember, whenever credit sales means name will be debited. So Mahesh account data to sales account. Say the answer. Whenever credit sales means name will be debited. This is the shortcut key. Remember it. It will be useful. If you can't understand the golden rules, understand this simple concept. Credit sales means name will be debited. So Mahesh account data to sales account. And if it is credit purchase means name will be credited. So remember it. This is credit sales. So name will be debited. Mahesh account data to sales account. Next, example 9. Goods sold to Mahendran for cash. When we are selling goods to Mahendran for cash, so what comes in? Cash comes in. So cash account data to sales account. Next one is what? Borrow loan from bank. When we borrow loan from bank, what comes in? Cash comes in. So cash account data to bank loan account. Borrow from the bank. Next one, next transaction is what? Example 11. Received commission 5,000 by cash. When we receive commission, what comes in? Cash comes in to the business. So cash account data to commission received account. This entry only the students are doing mistake. So listen it very carefully. Received commission rupees 5,000 means cash comes in. So cash account data to commission received account. Next, example 12. Paid 4,800 in full settlement of 5,000 due to the creditor Kirtana. So 4,800 in full settlement of 5,000. Instead of 5,000, 4,800 only paid. Now see it very carefully. Kirtana account data. We have to pay to Kirtana 5,000 rupees. But how much we paid? 4,800. So we received the discount of rupees 200. So 5,000 totally money we have to pay, but we paid only 4,800. So whatever we paid, that is credit, and we received out of 5,000 minus 4,800 rupees 200. We received the discount. Example 13. Dinesh, a customer, is declared insolvent and 40 paise in a rupee is received from the state for his due rupees 10,000. So Dinesh, a customer, is declared as an insolvent. Insolvent means he says, I don't have money at all right now. So I can pay only 40 paise in a rupee, means only I can pay 40 percentage. So 10,000, he has to pay 10,000, but how much he is going to pay right now? 40 percentage, means 10,000 into 40 by 100, 4,000 only he will pay us. So how much we received? 4,000 rupees. So what we received, that will be debited. Cash account data 4,000. Then leave one line, then write it to Dinesh account 10,000. So we have to receive 10,000, but we received only 4,000. So 10,000 minus 4,000, 6,000 rupees is loss. That loss we have to write bad debts account data. Understand? So cash account data, what we received 4,000, bad debts which is loss for the business 6,000, to Dinesh account 10,000.